Hey guys, Rush here with a new video. Today what I have for you is a counter, and what that means is it will count how many times I push this button right here, okay? And you could set the input up to anything, so it will count how many times you step on a pressure plate, open a door, whatever you want, okay? So right now I have it set up to go to 99, but if I wanted to, I could have it set up to go to 1,000 or even more. It just would take a lot of time because the method I used is kind of time consuming. But let's actually get into how this works. Well, every time I push this button, it will display it. So I click that once, twice, 3 times, and then it will display it. And I don't have to go that slow. I can spam it. So let's push it. Let's push it 4 times, and it's at 3 right now. So 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 plus 4 is 7, so it's at number 7. Let's push it 2 times, and it will display that. And then we have 10 right here. So when we come and click this again, and it gets to 10, it will display it over here, and then it will reset all these, okay? So now it displays it right here, and then every time I reach 10 here, it will go to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 90, and then once it's at 99 and gets to 100, it will say system full, okay? So, again, we can just keep on pressing this button, 2, 3, and it'll display it. Then we can reset the whole entire system by clicking System Reset, and then as you can see it reset, and then that will all reset out. Okay, so let's actually get into how this works. Okay, so out here you can see all the wiring that is made or used to actually make all of this, okay? And as you can see, there's minecart tracks, okay? It's because I use minecarts to actually count and display this, okay? So how it works is this. Every time I push the button, it will get sent through this monostable circuit, which will then go into this redstone repeater, and which will then time everything out. So every time a signal goes into each of these blocks, it will activate these powered rails, and then it's timed out. So it will go over this detector rail and then back onto this power rail where it will stop. So if we push count, you can see it will stop on this right here. And now all of these things on the side here are actually RS NOR latches, or in other words, memory devices. They will save the fact, or they will save the minecart going over this detector rail, and then it will display everything on here. Okay, so right now you can see that it just went over this detector rail, and it's getting ready to go over this second detector rail, which will then activate display number 2 as shown right there. So if we click count again, you can see that it will go on here. Okay, so let's jump ahead and go to display number 9. Okay, I just have it set up to do I have it all set up to go to all the way to 10. So let's jump ahead to 10. So we have 2, let's push it 8 times, or 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then as you can see, it's at 9 because this design will allow you to spam it, and it's on this, okay? So when we push this again, it will go over this detector rail right here, activating this monostable circuit, and then it is all timed out to go into all these blocks again, activating the powered rails again, and then the minecart is timed out, so it will stop again on here, which will then, and when it goes over this detector rail, it will just send another signal all the way to the display over here, which I have labeled as number 10. Okay, so when we push count, you can see that it will go over that. This minecart will move, and then it will reset. Okay, so how do I actually get it so all these redstone torches will be off right when this starts activating? Well, right here we have another detector rail, which will then reset all these RS NOR latches, or memory latches or devices, clearing these redstone torches. Okay, so then it will display on here. Okay, then again, once it gets full, it will just say system full, and you'll have to reset everything. So how does this resetting system work? When we click reset, it will start activating all these torches, and then it will eventually reset everything. Well, how this works is that when we push this button, it will, I have it set up so it will send 2 pulses into this monostable circuit. Okay, the first pulse will toggle this piston to go over this redstone torch, powering all these blocks, allowing this minecart to run freely all to the end of this. Okay, and then because we have the detector rail to reset the RS NOR latches, we don't have to do anything with that. Okay. Now another signal will be sent to this monostable circuit, and I have another 2 pulses that will go to here, allowing this redstone, or allowing this piston to be on top of this for the first pulse. Then the second pulse will grab this piece of sandstone, and it will again allow this minecart to flow and then back around to this. Okay. Then we have another detector rail over here to reset the RS NOR latches. Okay, so so that's how it works. If I press system reset, you can see that gets moved out, and then we have the second pulse come in to move it off of that, as then the minecart will come back all around and then be reset to its original position, and then same thing will happen to the other side. If we push system reset again, you can see that minecart will be able to move freely over all these powered rails. Then because the piston gets moved off the redstone torch, it will stop these powered rails from being activating, allow the minecart to come to a halt at the starting position. Okay, so that is my counter. Thanks for watching, and again, if you guys want me to have my video set up in a way where I actually video record myself making these projects from start to the end, so you can see actually how I do everything, then I can do that. Just post a comment down below and I'll be able to do that. So that is my counter. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And another thing is, if you would like to post a suggestion down in the comment below on my next project, then feel free to do that. And if it's something that I think is pretty cool, or something that I think I can do, then I will try to accomplish that or complete that challenge. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and to subscribe. I'll see you guys later.